You are going to love the Chakula Chetu Indigenous Recipe Book, a detailed compilation of 17 indigenous recipes from the Lake region of Kenya. The main thing that I love most about this book is that the recipes take me back to the future by reminding me how to prepare traditional meals in my own modern kitchen. The book is a product of over 3 years working together with chefs and outside caterers in the Western Lake region of Kenya who carefully selected and prepared these recipes for your use. One recipe that interests me is the banana bread that is meant for people on the go, travelers, farmers, and ideal even for office coffee break. The Chakula Chetu book recognizes the importance of good sceneries to good food. It offers the reader great carefully selected scenic pictures of sites from Lake region of Kenya. Each of the sceneries carries its own rich cultural story. Chakula Chetu not only shows you how to prepare great traditional meals, but also it activates development of rural economies where the local produce in form of ingredients originate from. So as you prepare that meal from the book, you have promoted a local producer back in the rural area. The recipe book inspires me to basic cooking and eating healthy. Chakula Chetu Indigenous Recipe Book really brings the Kenyan Lake region culture together into your own modern kitchen.